Yeah. Hi, my name is Nevenka Koprivšek. I come from Ljubljana, Slovenia. I'm running a venue which is an old power plant converted into art space, international festival, and I'm one of the coordinators together with ITM and Ecumest from Romania of the Balkan Express network. And it's mainly in the name of that I will also talk. If we talk about dialogue, and of course one needs to be in dialogue, one needs to meet, and beside it's not just enough to the wish and curiosity to interact, but for that we need very, very basic conditions, and all those conditions are just simply not there. And talking about obstacles, I listed really a whole page of it, which is of course lack of mobility funding, lack of infrastructure, talking about especially South, Southeast, or even Mediterranean, the infrastructure is mainly outdated and not really up to the new ways of production. Lack of access, there is very little access for information. Some parts are still completely isolated. Probably all the visa problems and issues were mentioned already. Organizing together with European Cultural Foundation, for example, a meeting, Balkan Mediterranean meeting in this spring. We lost few people on the way just due to the visa problems, and it's continuously, so it's never. We have to continue to mention them all the time, I think. Lack of access of education, fear of contemporary arts, lack of sustainable funding, especially in the independent sector. Lack of also a big need of development of reflection, or the intellectual platform has to be much more developed. Lack of tools of monitoring, and therefore also lack of cultural policy in those regions. And so which all brings of accompanied also with withdrawal with most of international foundations. Actually, ECF is one of the rare who stays in the region. And eligibility of funding, let's say for Culture 2000 is, of course, I mean, it's good to have intercultural dialogue, but which also a priori excludes most of the countries in that region. And actually, what you said, it's this market-orientated. Also, the push or the justification just by the market is also threatening, I think, the development in the region. So there is a big need of reform of public sector, which is, of course, a huge, so I would really recommend to encourage that, and, of course, reinforce the motor forces which are actually doing and trying to move things around. Thank you.